10:48 a.m. and NIO is down another 4.6%. If you remember the video that we put out yesterday, we were talking about this buy level yesterday up at $11. And if we were able to bounce there, we could potentially see this move back up to 12. If not, if we gave up 11, we would see that drop down to $10. That drop down to $10 has almost occurred. In this video, we're going to go over this buying level of $10, what I plan to do with my position, which I did actually end up taking in NIO, and overall, where do I think NIO can recover to today, tomorrow, going into the weekend. Hit the like button, subscribe, check out our Discord community down below. The link is in the description. You guys will get access to free courses, free live streams, free seminars, free webinars. We're over 10,000 members strong, close to 10,000, I should say, 9,400. And our goal is to actually hit 10,000 by the end of this month. So go check it out. Now, talking about NIO yesterday, we were originally looking at $11 buy point. That $11 buy point was actually unable to hold up, unfortunately, and since then we have plummeted below $11. NIO is down 4.33%. Other EV companies like Tesla are also down 4.2%, while the S&P 500 is actually up 1%, as well as the NASDAQ and the Dow. So taking a look at NIO, I was looking to start my position yesterday at 11 for a trade, which I did, and my ultimate goal was to average down again at 10 because we have massive buys set to fill down at $10. Now, unfortunately, we came all the way down to 10.06. I did not have an order fill, and I didn't get to average down. Now, the issue with averaging down is that there's two schools of thought. Number one is that you shouldn't average down. You should just only take your position because some people just don't have the mental discipline to actually take a loss. So they just average down, average down, average down. And the second thing too is when it comes to averaging down, some people believe that you should be super stringent on the price that you want. So if you want $10, you set the limit at $10. And there are other schools of thought where you set it a couple of pennies above, which is what I normally do, and I didn't. I should have set it at 10.05, knowing that we might not hit 10 to a T, but we do still have this order that has yet to fill down at 10. So my goal was to buy more at 10, look for a potential push and a pop up to $11, which is where that big sell level is. As of right now, I have not averaged down on my NIO position, and it looks like we could try to run back up to $11 today before potentially getting rejected. You can see that there is a lot of orders down here at $10. We have 169,000 shares that are ready to be filled if we hit $10, which should be a pretty solid support level. If we do continue to rise today, potentially moving our way back up to 11 bucks, in that instant we would end green or flat on NIO, but there is a really big sell level up at $11. Old supports become new resistances. So since this was an old support and an old buy level, there's a pretty decent chance that this could actually end up becoming a significant sell level. And so my initial plan was to average down at 10 and then sell up at 11, which would have actually given me a 50-cent profit on my shares because I bought at 11. If I bought the same amount at 10, my average would be right around where we are right now, at about $10.50. So I haven't ended up filling. I'm just going to hold. To be quite honest, if we just rip back up to $11, I will probably close for a loss and just walk away. I would end up losing basically about maybe $200. It'd probably be down about 1-2%. And if not, if we do drop back down to 10, I will average down and then run a stop loss around like 987, 988, 981. We'll see what happens. Overall, though, that's the levels you guys should be watching. Hit the like button, subscribe. Like I said, check out our Discord community, link in the description. And if you want access to every single one of my trades as soon as I take it, you can go to the upgrade section. For only $1 a day, you'll get access to all my trades, all the book maps, all the unusual options activity, all of the phantom prints that we post. It's all over there. It's only $1, and you get access to my trades. Thanks for the support, guys. I'll see you tomorrow.